Dreams versus reality. In the pursuit of understanding the enigmatic nature of dreams, perhaps it is worth considering the notion that dreams serve as a foundational and intrinsic aspect of our existence. Could it be that even the most primal forms of life, such as microbes and sea anemones, exist in a state resembling a dormant bundle, devoid of the capacity to awaken? Only at a certain level of evolution does wakefulness emerge. Is it possible, then, to interpret dreams as remnants of our profound connection to ancient life forms? While this idea may be novel, it provides a compelling foundation for contemplating the purpose and significance of dreams in the human experience. Within the realm of understanding life forms without brains, central nervous systems, or any nervous systems at all, it becomes evident that the concepts of sleep and wakefulness do not apply. However, the notion of wakefulness gradually emerging throughout the course of evolution remains intriguing. This perspective sheds light on why all known higher animals, in some way or another, experience states resembling sleep and wakefulness. Sleep, in its essence, may be the most natural state of all living beings. After all, during sleep, the essential functions necessary for sustaining life are preserved, albeit with a diminished capacity to respond to stimuli from the external environment. While sleep is commonly associated with humans and other sentient beings, exploring its presence across the vast spectrum of life raises profound questions. Could it be that sleep, or a primitive precursor to it, has roots that extend deep into the fabric of evolution? Perhaps it serves as a fundamental mechanism for preserving energy and facilitating vital restorative processes across diverse life forms. Although the absence of a discernible brain or complex neural networks in certain organisms challenges our conventional understanding of sleep, considering sleep as a fundamental and ancient aspect of existence opens up new avenues of inquiry into the mysteries of consciousness and the intricate connections between dreams and reality. In contemplating the prevalence of sleep-like states in the animal kingdom, we are confronted with the notion that sleep itself encompasses more than just a period of inactivity. It is a state that transcends physical boundaries and touches upon the essence of life itself. The preservation of essential life functions during sleep hints at a deep-seated purpose, a profound balancing act between rest and readiness. By delving into the intricate interplay between sleep and wakefulness, we embark on a journey to unravel the tapestry of life's evolution, seeking to uncover the underlying mechanisms that have allowed organisms to navigate the boundaries between dreams and reality since the dawn of time. The realm of dreams has long intrigued philosophers, psychologists, and scientists alike. From Sigmund Freud's psychoanalytic theories to the latest advancements in neurobiology, the mystery surrounding the nature of dreaming has persisted. However, by exploring the hypothesis that dreams are an atavistic link to our primordial past, a new dimension emerges, one that invites us to ponder the intricate reasons behind the human propensity for dreaming. Could it be that our dreams serve as a window into the collective memories of our ancestral lineage, connecting us to a vast tapestry of life's history? This perspective challenges us to consider the broader significance of dreams in our contemporary understanding of consciousness and the human experience. To embrace the idea that dreams are an echo of ancient life forms raises profound questions about the purpose they serve in our lives. Could it be that dreams are not merely random figments of our imagination, but rather a bridge between the conscious and subconscious realms? Perhaps they hold the key to unlocking hidden reservoirs of knowledge and insight, allowing us to tap into the wisdom accumulated over countless generations. Exploring this concept encourages us to delve deeper into the rich tapestry of dreams, questioning their origins and pondering their significance in our daily existence. By unraveling the complexities of dreams versus reality, we embark on a journey of self-discovery and intellectual exploration, seeking to illuminate the intricacies of our inner world and the remarkable connections we share with the ancient tapestry of life itself. Dreams serve as a captivating example of absolute solipsism, where everything within them is a product of the human consciousness. Yet, in the moment of dreaming, this constructed reality becomes indistinguishable from the waking world. It is only natural to yearn for extrapolation, to extend this uncertainty to our perception of reality itself. How can one prove to themselves, or to others, that what they are experiencing is not a dream? If that is the case, then we are left questioning the very foundations of our understanding, realizing that our knowledge of reality may be far more elusive than we could have ever imagined. The blurred boundaries between dreams and reality challenge the notion of objective truth and invite us to explore the nature of our own subjective experiences. What if the distinctions we make between dream and wakefulness are merely constructs of our own minds? If the fabric of reality is woven by our consciousness, then how can we trust the authenticity of the world around us? This paradox confronts us with the humbling realization that our perception of reality may be an intricate tapestry of illusions, where what we believe to be true is merely a construct of our own interpretations. In our quest for understanding, we encounter the unsettling prospect that our entire existence could be nothing more than an elaborate dream. If this is the case, then the very essence of reality becomes a profound enigma, forever eluding our grasp. We are left pondering the limitations of our perception, questioning the reliability of our senses, and embarking on a philosophical journey to uncover the nature of our existence. Perhaps, in contemplating the discrepancies between dreams and reality, we are confronted with the unsettling truth that our understanding of the world may forever remain an elusive and subjective experience. Within the amalgamation of contradictions that encompass the human and animal nature, the evolutionary and creative paths of life's emergence, and the dichotomy between objective and subjective reality, the fundamental inability of humans to distinguish dreams from reality undermines our capacity to speak with certainty. The blurring of boundaries between wakefulness and dreaming, often leading to the confusion of events in our memories, deprives us of the ability to assert anything definitively. Everything we perceive and experience could be mere figments of our imagination, including the laws of physics, mathematics, and even the evidence supporting evolution. While some may vehemently claim to possess an infallible distinction between dreams and reality, the possibility of their fallibility cannot be dismissed. The enigmatic nature of dreams challenges our perceived understanding of truth and casts doubt upon the foundation of our knowledge. If we cannot ascertain the true nature of our experiences, how can we claim to possess objective knowledge about the world around us? The subjective nature of perception implies that our understanding is filtered through the lens of personal interpretation, leaving room for illusions, biases, and misconceptions. We are left grappling with the disconcerting notion that what we believe to be real may simply be an elaborate construction of our own minds, casting uncertainty upon the very fabric of our perceived reality. The exploration of the discrepancies between dreams and reality forces us to confront the fallibility of our senses and the limitations of human cognition. Our memories, often intertwined with the ethereal realm of dreams, become susceptible to distortions and inaccuracies. How can we trust the reliability of our recollections if we are unable to discern whether an event occurred in waking life or within the realm of dreams? The existence of this inherent uncertainty underscores the complexity of our human experience, compelling us to question our own perceptions and encouraging a deeper examination of the elusive nature of reality. It may seem easy to dismiss the notion that our entire perception of the world could be nothing more than a dream. However, the contemplation of this idea has been a serious philosophical question for millennia. Indeed, in our personal experiences, dreams often appear utilitarian, fragmented, and intertwined with reality, a means to better comprehend our waking lives. Yet, we form judgments based on fragmented dream memories and the interpretations bestowed upon them by our wakeful consciousness. Such an unreliable foundation provides little grounds for making profound conclusions. The paradox of dreams lies in their seemingly meaningful connection to our waking experiences. Dreams often reflect elements of our daily lives, incorporating familiar faces, places, and emotions. We perceive them as a way to process and make sense of the world around us. However, upon waking, we are left with disjointed fragments and subjective interpretations. Our understanding of dreams relies heavily on the fallible and selective nature of our consciousness, raising doubts about the veracity of the conclusions we draw from them. Throughout history, philosophers and scholars have grappled with the intricate relationship between dreams and reality. They have probed the depths of human consciousness, searching for insights into the nature of perception and the fundamental nature of existence. Despite the intuitive connection we perceive between dreams and reality, the inherent elusiveness of dreams challenges our ability to form reliable conclusions. The fleeting and elusive nature of dreams serves as a constant reminder of the limitations of our understanding, urging us to question the very nature of our perceived reality. The ongoing enigma of distinguishing dreams from reality hampers our ability to have certainty in anything. The very notion that we could potentially solve this problem becomes subject to doubt. After all, even the resolution of such a dilemma could be nothing more than a figment of our imagination. The inherent uncertainty surrounding the differentiation between dreams and reality casts a shadow of skepticism over our understanding of the world. The elusive nature of dreams and the potential for their intertwining with our waking lives leaves us in a perpetual state of doubt. How can we be certain that our experiences in the waking world are not merely elaborate illusions? The stark realization that our perceptions and interpretations could be colored by the ethereal realm of dreams undermines our confidence in objective truth. It raises the disconcerting possibility that the foundations upon which we build our understanding of reality may be illusory themselves. The very act of questioning the discrepancy between dreams and reality exposes the inherent limitations of human cognition. Our subjective experiences and interpretations become entangled in a web of uncertainty. The quest for certainty becomes an endless pursuit, for even if we believe we have found the answer, we are left questioning whether it is merely another illusion, conjured by the depths of our consciousness. In this realm of ambiguity, we are compelled to reflect on the nature of our existence and confront the inherent fragility of our understanding. In the absence of explicit consideration of the distinction between dreams and reality in most cases, an illusion is created that we can possess certain knowledge. However, a truly wise approach necessitates acknowledging the possibility of unreality and the nebulous nature of everything around us. It is important not to let this realization paralyze us or deprive us of productive intellectual and other pursuits. Yet, alongside biological and anthropological factors, we must constantly bear in mind the inherent uncertainty regarding the reality of both dreams and wakefulness. The recognition of the discrepancies between dreams and reality prompts a nuanced perspective that embraces the multifaceted nature of our existence. Rather than succumbing to skepticism or a sense of futility, we can channel this awareness into a deeper appreciation for the complexity of our subjective experiences. It compels us to navigate the intricacies of our consciousness, always mindful of the potential blurring of boundaries between the imagined and the tangible, the ethereal and the concrete. The intertwining of dreams and reality underscores the importance of maintaining a balanced perspective, one that acknowledges the uncertainties inherent in our understanding. While we engage in the pursuits of intellectual inquiry and productive endeavors, we must cultivate a humility that recognizes the limitations of our comprehension. By embracing the notion that our perception of reality is multifaceted and subject to interpretation, we embark on a journey of continuous exploration, embracing the paradoxes that arise from the interplay between dreams and wakefulness.